You are watching Voice Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am going to explain you isometric view problem. So how to draw this problem I am going to explain you in detail. So watch my videos till the end, and if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notifications of other videos. And this problem is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students, and this problem is of 10 to 15 marks. So now I will start my question. A square pyramid of base edge 40 mm means you are having a square pyramid. This is the square pyramid, a square pyramid of having the base edge 40 mm and height 60 mm. The square pyramid height is 60 mm, as I have drawn you to understand you easily. So rest on the top of the cube means this is the cube. The square pyramid is resting on this top of the cube of side 80 mm. The cube side is of 80 mm. This is of 80 mm, 80 mm, 80 mm, because cube is having all sides equal. So two sides of the base of the pyramid are parallel to the top edges of the cube. Means two base side of this square pyramid is parallel to your cube. So this is the isometric view of this problem. So you have to draw this isometric here, and first before drawing this isometric view, first you have to draw the orthographic view. So how to draw this orthographic view, I will show you. First you have to draw a XY line or a reference line like this, and first you have to draw the top view. So you have to see this figure from the top. From the top, this 80 mm 80 mm cube square is visible. So you have to draw that cube square of 80 mm. So to draw that, I will show you how to draw 80 mm, because its dimension is 80 mm. So square you have to draw 80 mm like this. Then after, from the top only, this pyramid also visible. So this pyramid, in pyramid only a square and your slant edges is visible. So you have to draw that also. So how to draw that, I will show you. First you have to draw the diagonal lines. So exactly in between of this cube it is resting. So by taking this, here your square of how much your pyramid side is there, 40 mm. So adjusting your mini drafter of 40 mm with this line and with this line, draw a 40 mm line by adjusting. So by adjusting I have drawn this 40 mm line, then automatically you will get the another line of 40 mm like this. Then draw that also. That yet from top your pyramid square is visible, and the remaining slant edges will be like this. So dark that also. Okay, and this will be the top view of this figure, and then you have to take the projection line from each end of this figure like this. From center also you have to take, and from there and there. The remaining line you are getting, you have to dark it. Okay, this is the base of this cube. Then from here you have to draw this cube. The axis height is how much? Sorry, its cube height is 80 mm. So we have to draw. If you see this, we are drawing now for a front view. So if you see this cube from the front, a box is visible like a 80 mm box. So you have to draw 80 mm box like this. Then after, on this cube your pyramid is resting on 40 mm side. So exactly it is center of this cube. So we have to take the distance from here and here. So already you have distance taken. So from there, this square, you have to take a line like this by adjusting your mini drafter. And the center point also you can do. And then from the center point your pyramid, from front, if you see this pyramid, a triangle shape you will get. So axis height is having 60 mm. From here you have to take the axis height 60 mm till here. So draw the axis line like this, and draw this line edges with that ends you have removed, and your pyramid is created. and this is the front view of this figure. Then after, show the dimension of this front view. And this is of 80 mm cube, and the pyramid height is 60 mm. You have to do the arrow marks also, and this square is of, means cube is of 80 mm only, and this square pyramid from the top view, you are having this 40 mm. Okay, then after, to draw the isometric view, first we have to draw a normal line or imaginary line and put a dot on that line, and keep your protractor on that point and adjust 30-degree angle and take a point, and from here also, and with that points draw a convenient line. How much you want to take, that much, like this and like this. Okay, this square we have to, I mean this cube we have to draw it. So the cube side is of 80 mm height. So 80 mm I will take here, or else you can adjust your divider on that square like this. Take an arc here also, and its height is also will be same, and take an arc here like this. Then draw this line or dark it. These two lines you have created. Then the remaining three lines, this height of this cube is 80 mm same. So adjusting your mini diopter with that, this line, and from here you have to draw 80 mm line like this. Okay, after drawing this, join these lines also, because these two lines is also you can draw. Then the remaining these two lines, by adjusting your mini drafter with this angle, from this end draw a line, light line, and with this angle draw this line where these two lines are meeting, and that will be the point. And on the cube, your square pyramid is resting centrally. So to draw with the cube centrally in this, I will show you a simple method how to draw. So you are having a distance of this pyramid and this cube this much. So adjust your divider like this and draw an arc on that rhombus. Means it is like a rhombus only, it is rhombus. So on the cube you have to draw square pyramid. By taking the arcs you can easily draw that pyramid also, and automatically you will get the exactly same dimension. So with that arcs you have made, adjust your mini drafter, draw the lines like this, and from here also automatically you will get the exact size of the square pyramid as 40 mm, and this is 40 mm, and you will get the 40 mm also. So by measuring I also get as a dark it. When this line is visible from the front, we will see this figure isometric view from the front. This is also visible, and this is also visible, so dark it. Okay, then after remove the center of this rhombus or a square pyramid by joining the lines this time. This is the center of the point. Then after, from here the axis height of the pyramid is 60 mm. Then take a 60 mm axis height, draw the axis line like this 60 mm. Then after axis height you have created, then the slant edges you have to draw from the front. This slant edge is visible, so you have to draw it dark. This slant is also visible, so draw it dark. And this slant edge is also visible, draw it dark. And here your square pyramid is also created exactly centrally on the cube, and draw these lines also, dark it. Then after, show the height of the cube by taking extension lines like this. dimensioning line, arrow mark, and its height is 80 mm, and the pyramid axis height is from O to O you have taken 60 mm. So by taking extension line like this, and this will be the axis height of the pyramid, that is of 60 mm. So this is the complete solution of this problem. So guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also watch my videos till the end and practice by yourself. Then only you will come to understand how to solve this problem. Thank you.